Your legs are failing you, and the vitamin you're taking right now is making it worse. If standing up from a chair takes effort, if your balance isn't what it used to be, if you're secretly afraid of falling, what I'm about to reveal will make you furious. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and the supplement industry has been lying to you. 4 vitamins that seniors take every day for leg strength are actively destroying your muscles. Right now. As you watch this. Your doctor probably recommended them, but they're trapped in outdated science that's putting you at risk. In the next 10 minutes, I'm exposing these 4 leg-destroying vitamins and the 4 you desperately need. The first one? It's calcium. Calcium supplements, the muscle weakener. Yes, calcium. The vitamin your doctor told you would strengthen your bones and keep you steady on your feet. But here's the truth they're not telling you about your leg strength. When you take concentrated calcium supplements, usually calcium carbonate, you're flooding your bloodstream with a massive spike. Your body doesn't know where to put this sudden influx. Without the right guides, that calcium doesn't go to your bones or muscles. It ends up calcifying your arteries, the very vessels that need to deliver oxygen-rich blood to your leg muscles. Think about it. Your leg muscles are the largest muscles in your body. They need constant blood flow to stay strong and respond quickly. When excess calcium hardens your arteries, it restricts blood flow. Less blood means less oxygen. Less oxygen means your muscles fatigue faster, feel weaker, and can't support you properly when you stand or walk. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that calcium supplements significantly increase arterial stiffness. Stiff arteries mean poor circulation to your legs. You're trying to strengthen your bones, but you're actually starving your leg muscles of the blood they need to function. My advice? Ditch the calcium pills. Get your calcium from yogurt, cheese, and leafy greens. The calcium from food is released slowly and doesn't cause the dangerous spikes that weaken your leg circulation. Vitamin E, the nerve disruptor. You'll see vitamin E marketed as an antioxidant that protects your muscles and nerves, and in its natural form from almonds or spinach, it does help. But the synthetic vitamin E in high-dose capsules is sabotaging your leg strength in a dangerous way. Here's why this matters for your legs. Your leg muscles are controlled by nerves that run from your spine down to your feet. These nerves need proper blood thickness to function correctly. Vitamin E is a powerful blood thinner. When you take high doses, especially if you're already on aspirin or other medications, you're thinning your blood too much. This might sound harmless, but thin blood means poor nutrient delivery to your muscles and nerves. Your legs need robust circulation to maintain strength and coordination. When your blood is too thin, your muscles don't get the fuel they need, and your nerves can't send strong signals telling your legs to support you. The SELECT trial found that men taking high-dose vitamin E had increased health risks. Other research shows it can interfere with muscle recovery after exercise. Unless you have a diagnosed deficiency, skip the vitamin E pills and get it naturally from nuts. Your leg strength will thank you. Iron, the energy stealer. This is critical for understanding why your legs feel heavy and tired. When you're young, iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles. But after 60, unless you're diagnosed with anemia, extra iron becomes a burden. Here's what happens. Excess iron accumulates in your body like rust, creating inflammation and oxidative stress. This inflammation directly attacks your muscle tissue, breaking down the fibers that give your legs strength. It also disrupts your mitochondria, the energy powerhouses in your muscle cells. Your leg muscles have more mitochondria than almost any other tissue because they need so much energy to lift you, carry you, and keep you balanced. When excess iron damages these mitochondria, your legs literally run out of fuel. That's why you feel weakness, heaviness, and exhaustion in your legs even after minimal activity. Unless your doctor has diagnosed you with low iron through blood work, avoid multivitamins containing iron. Look for iron-free or senior formulas. Your legs need clean energy, not the inflammatory burden of excess iron. Synthetic folic acid, the balance destroyer. You've heard that folate is important for your nerves and brain. That's true. But most cheap vitamins use synthetic folic acid, and up to 40% of people can't process it properly due to a genetic variation. Why does this matter for your legs? Your balance and coordination depend on healthy nerves running from your brain to your legs. These nerves need active folate to maintain their protective coating and send clear signals. When you take synthetic folic acid your body can't use, it floats around unmetabolized, potentially blocking the real folate you need. Worse, high levels of unmetabolized folic acid can mask a B12 deficiency, which is devastating for leg strength. B12 deficiency causes nerve damage that shows up as numbness, tingling, weakness, and poor balance in your legs. You might think you're supporting your nerves with folic acid, but you're actually covering up a critical deficiency that's making your legs weaker. Check your vitamin bottle. If it says folic acid, throw it out. Look for methylfolate or 5-MTHF. This is the form your body can actually use to protect the nerves that control your legs. Now, you might be wondering, Dr. Carter, if I can't take these, what will actually make my legs stronger? I'm glad you asked. Here are the 4 nutrients that are non-negotiable for leg strength after 60. Magnesium, the muscle controller. If there's one deficiency I see in almost every senior with weak legs, it's magnesium. Your leg muscles need magnesium to contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tight, cramped, and weak. Magnesium is responsible for over 300 reactions in your body, but it's especially critical for your legs. It helps your muscles respond to nerve signals, prevents painful cramps at night, and supports the ATP production that gives your muscles energy to move. But here's the key. You must buy the right type. Avoid magnesium oxide. It's poorly absorbed and won't help your legs. You want magnesium glycinate. It absorbs easily, supports deep muscle relaxation, and helps your legs feel stronger and more responsive. Take it before bed, and you'll notice your legs feel less stiff and more powerful in the morning. Vitamin D3 plus K2, the strength builders. This combination is absolutely essential for leg strength. Vitamin D3 helps your muscles absorb the nutrients they need and supports muscle fiber development. Without adequate D3, your muscles literally can't grow or maintain their strength, but D3 needs K2 as its partner. Here's why this matters for your legs. K2 directs calcium into your bones, making them dense and strong to support your weight. Simultaneously, it removes calcium from your arteries, ensuring oxygen-rich blood flows freely to your leg muscles. Strong bones plus strong circulation equals powerful legs that can support you without pain or weakness. Never take D3 without K2. Together, they ensure your legs have both the skeletal support and muscular power you need to stay active and independent. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. This is absolutely critical for leg strength. After 60, your stomach produces less acid, making it nearly impossible to absorb B12 from food. B12 builds the protective coating around every nerve in your legs. Without it, those nerves deteriorate. When your leg nerves are damaged, you experience numbness, tingling, weakness, and poor balance. You might feel like your legs don't respond the way they should, or that you're disconnected from your feet. This is B12 deficiency, and it's shockingly common in seniors. I recommend methylcobalamin, the active form of B12. Use a sublingual tablet that dissolves under your tongue. This bypasses your stomach and delivers B12 directly into your bloodstream, where it can immediately start repairing the nerves that control your legs. Within weeks, many people notice improved sensation, better balance, and stronger legs. High-quality omega-3s, the inflammation fighter. Chronic inflammation is silently destroying your leg muscles right now. It breaks down muscle fibers faster than your body can rebuild them. The most powerful weapon against this muscle-wasting inflammation is omega-3 fatty acids. Your leg muscles are under constant stress. They carry your entire body weight with every step. Omega-3s, specifically DHA and EPA from fish oil or algae oil, act like fire extinguishers on the inflammation burning through your muscle tissue. But you can't rely on plant sources like flax or walnuts. After 60, your body can barely convert them to the active forms. You need high-quality fish oil or algae oil rich in DHA and EPA. These directly support your leg muscles, reduce stiffness, improve recovery, and help maintain the strength you need to walk, climb stairs, and live independently. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to your bathroom and check those vitamin bottles. If you see calcium carbonate, synthetic vitamin E, iron, or folic acid, it's time to reconsider. These could be the hidden reason your legs feel weaker. Replace them with the Power 4, magnesium glycinate for muscle control, D3 plus K2 for strength and circulation, methylated, B12 for nerve protection, and high-quality omega-3s to fight inflammation. Your legs are your foundation. They carry you everywhere. They determine whether you stay independent or need help. Don't let the wrong vitamins steal your strength. I'd love to know, have you been taking any of these 4 dangerous vitamins? Go to the comments and tell me. I'm checking my labels. This is the first step toward rebuilding the leg strength you thought you'd lost forever. Be smart with your supplements, listen to your body, and I'll see you in the next video.